Not much production is taking place at any of the automakers in India because they are now dedicating their resources to making equipment for healthcare professionals. This includes masks, face shields, and personal protective equipment. We caught up with Skoda Auto Volkswagen India Limited, which is making face shields, masks, and mechanical ambu bags at its facility in Chakan, Pune. I caught up with Austin Diaz, who is the general manager and the head of ramp-up management at Skoda Auto Volkswagen India Limited, and he walked me through the entire process at the plant.
See, there are four items which we are working right now. The first one being the face shield. So face shield was something which was the first requirement we received through our company, Dr. Manoj Pawar, through Sassoon Hospital. So Sassoon was one of the first hospital, let's say in Pune, to be designated hospital to treat the COVID-19 patients.
The first product is a face shield that protects health workers from droplet infections. The face shield has an elastic band and a 1 mm thick plastic shield that covers the face, ears, eyes, nose, and mouth. It has a foam strip for comfort. To prevent the glue from coming off, the foam is zip tied to the shield. That's because the face shields are dipped in sanitizing solution often.
So we are also working, or let's say we have also produced another item which is required by the doctors inside the operation theatre, which is called as intubation box. So normally when they insert the tubes into the patient, again there are a lot of droplets or all the phlegm which comes out. So doctor again needs to be protected from those things. So
the company is also making mechanical ambu bags which help in patient respiration. This has been built with in-house materials from the car plant. The company is also making masks to supply oxygen using 3D printing.
This is one of the concepts which came up where we are working together with Decathlon. We are using this snorkeling mask and we are using an HME filter. HME filter is available in the medical store or the medical equipment shops. And between these two items, we are doing a 3D print of the adapter which goes in between and then makes a complete set which we call as filtered mask.
The 3D printed part also includes a splitter so that oxygen supply can be split between two patients at a time. The company will continue to use 3D printing to make parts for its oxygen mask, and it is supplying it to Sassoon Hospital as well as other hospitals and the police force and healthcare workers.